Do you want to transform every workplace learning experience into an accelerator for career growth and success? Let's take a closer look at how to do this through the practice of crafting learning objectives that will not just inform but guide learners to success. Learning objectives are clear and compelling targets that define what employees will be able to accomplish after completing a training module. The focus here is on actionable skills, bridging the gap between knowledge and application. Because the true measure of a successful training program is its impact on performance. Start by identifying the specific skill or behavior change you want to see. Then articulate it using precise, action-oriented verbs that represent observable, measurable behaviors. Here are some examples tailored for the corporate setting. For classroom training, imagine you're facilitating a workshop on enhancing customer service skills. A focused learning objective could be: participants will demonstrate empathy in customer interactions by accurately identifying and responding to three common customer concerns. This objective zeroes in on a single critical skill, making it clear and measurable. For a webinar on effective email communication in the workplace, your learning objective might state, attendees will draft a professional email following the company's standard email etiquette guidelines. This pinpoints a singular applicable skill, ensuring the training is directly relevant to daily work activities. For an e-learning module on data analysis tools, a precise objective could be: learners will execute a basic data analysis using Excel, applying pivot tables to summarize a dataset. This leverages learning technology to provide hands-on experience with a key tool focused on developing a specific, valuable skill. In corporate training, it's all about driving performance and enhancing capabilities in a targeted way. Your learning objectives should be laser-focused, directly applicable, and immediately beneficial to both the individual and the organization. And that's the blueprint for crafting learning objectives that are not only achievable, but also impactful. Now let's get out there and get down to business with learning objectives that transform potential into performance.